How you doing, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are repairing this. We're also replacing the skirting board, and we also need to do a repair here, cut this out, this old stuff, and put the new one in. So that's what we're going to do. You just saw me bring all the stuff in, so yeah, let's get to it. It's going to be good, should be good. Got to cut all the damage one out. Yeah, reframe it, add some framing if we need, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, I've taken the old one off. We landed on the stud over here. I'm going to cut a little bit more so it's a bit more in the centre. We've got some studs, and I'll put some, I actually bought some 90mm decking, which I like using decking because it's wider and you get a better screwing surface. So we're putting a piece there, piece across the top, piece across the top, just to sift it up. Trying to keep it clean as possible as well. Don't want to be walking, marks through, but probably have to give it a mop anyway when I'm done. But yeah, there appears to be a leak here, it looks like. That's actually the flashing there. So yeah, but they've asked us just to replace this, plaster it. We're not painting, we are just putting this new piece on, screwing it, plastering, sanding, and the painter is coming in next week, so we better get a crack on. Alright, that one is done. The base coat. It'll take about 2 hours to dry before we can put the top coat on. And yeah, the good thing about plastering is if you're not good, you just gotta sand more. I'm not the best, but does the job. Use the fibre tape as well. I prefer that over the paper tape, it's a bit better. So yeah, that's got to dry. I'm gonna go to some lunch, and in 2 hours we'll come back and top coat it. Alright, it's been about an hour, it's not fully dry, but we can go ahead and put the top coat on. And then this will dry over the weekend. It's Friday here now, and it's a long weekend, so I'll be back Tuesday to sand it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this other coat on, and yeah, we're out of here. Alright, that is all plastered. Looks pretty good. You'll see like there's a little bit of lines. I don't know if you can see that line there. That is not an issue at all. When I first started plastering, I was like, oh, I've got to get it perfect. You don't. You sand it and it comes good. So yeah, that's that. That's going to dry. Repaired this one down here as well. Put a little piece down there, screwed it off. I just didn't record that because same thing. But yeah, that's going to dry over the next couple of days. I'll come back, sand it, and then put the skirting on, because that'll be the last thing. Skirting, not painting it. Put the skirting on. No more gaps are on the top, and yeah, should be good. All right, I will see you in a couple of seconds, but for me it'll be 3 days. I'm back a couple of days later. For you, a couple of seconds. It's public holiday today, but I want to get here and just do a quick sand, you know, just to sort of make sure it's all good for tomorrow. Because tomorrow I want to come back, clean up, put the skirting on and be done. Good thing that I did come back today, because someone's been here after I left and touched my plaster. That's someone's fingers. Oh, that annoys me, doesn't it? Someone doing that. Lucky I came back. I have to let them know. But yeah. Anyway, I'll give it a sand, fix that up, fix anywhere else up that needs to be fixed up after the sand, and then, yeah. We're out of here, we're back tomorrow. Hopefully last day. Let's do it. So now I like to get a wet rag, like just damp, not dripping or anything. I'm just going to wipe over it. It helps to see if there's any divots or anything that need to be filled. And I am pretty sure if someone didn't touch that, I wouldn't have to do any plastering. But because someone touched it, I've got to plaster it. So I might as well look for any other divots. So to be honest, there's very small ones which could just be sanded and they're gone, but because I'm plastering that, I'll just quickly fill these and I'll come back tomorrow, light sand, clean up, skirting, we're done. But yeah, it's upsetting that someone has touched that because I pretty much could be done today, finished. I could actually stay back, do the skirting and be done and leave and like invoice and be happy, but no, someone had to touch it, so not happy with that. Alright, so obviously I found a few little things you can see by the wet patches. All of those could have been just sanded and like another 5 minutes sanding and it's perfect. But because someone did this one, I might as well just touch it up. Anyway, that's annoyed me. I'm going to actually call up and see who was here and let them know that they shouldn't be doing that because that's not nice. And yeah, this one over here is good sanded. I also am a nice guy and I saw some holes, so I thought I'd fill them in, but I didn't quote for that, so we didn't go extensively. But yeah. So it is a Monday, public holiday here in Australia. I was here for literally like 10 minutes, but I'm lucky I came because I would have come tomorrow morning thinking to finish this tomorrow in one day, and I would have found that. So lucky I did come and have a look at that. And tomorrow will be a final sand, skirting, pinned in, down the bottom. No more gaps on the top and the joints. I'm actually going to run no more gaps on this wall as well. And maybe up, just to help the painter out because it's a bit crap, these skirtings. But anyway, that'll be done and then it's just clean up and get out of here, invoice, get paid. That's pretty much it. But anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Alright, I am back and good news, no one has touched my plaster. So that's cool. Yeah, basically now, very light sand, a bit of a clean up, and then we are putting this skirting on. So that's the plan today. Yeah, the repairs did dry a bit, just needs a quick sand with the 240 grit, not the 120, just the 240, quick sand, skirting. There's a few nails I've got to pull out, which is not a problem. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna get going. Alright, all done. Now just put that skirting on, put the no more gaps in, smooth it out, over here as well. I went all the way along this one, didn't need to, but I went halfway up the wall just to help the painter out. But yeah, we are all done. About three trips, maybe 5 hours worth of work total. So yeah, probably less, probably 4 hours worth of work. But yeah. So, how much did I charge for this? Well, this was an emergency. They messaged me, say we need this fixed. Can you do it? Painter's coming Friday, and it's Tuesday today, so a couple of days. I got the call last Thursday. Said yeah, I can do it, but I'm going to charge for it. So, all in all, I quoted $1,810, including GST. So that was everything. Materials like $150 worth, and the rest is profit. So yeah, that's what we charge for this one. I'm always happy to do emergency jobs, but you've got to pay for them. That's the other end. But yeah, that's cool. The painter will do that. He's going to paint the skirting and stuff. Yeah, so that's it. Little emergency. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe and like, comment below. And until next time, see you later.